Pleasant day everyone. So our topic is about the basic rules of derivative and we will focus about the product rule. With the given formula, the derivative of f of x and g of x. To find this, we need to identify the f of x and the derivative of g of x plus g of x and the derivative of f of x. In the product rule, excuse me. In the product rule, we're always gonna use the mathematical operation plus or addition. To further understand, let's give our example. For our example number 1, we need to identify first the derivatives. Example number 1, y equals 2x to the power of 4 minus 3 and x squared plus 1. Here, our f of x always come first before the g of x. So, mauuna yung f of x bago g of x. Doon natin malalaman yung kung saan ba ang f of x at g of x. So, our f of x is 2x to the power of 4 minus 3. First, we need to put the exponent or the exponential 4 here in front and in front of 2 and then copy the x minus 3. Here, next, multiply the 2. So, we're gonna get 8x and then our exponent here is 4. Ima-minus natin siya sa 1. So, magiging 3. And here, since wala na siyang kasamang x, it will be 0. So, magiging ang ating derivative for f of x is 3x cubed. For our g of x naman is here. Just like in the f of x, ilalagay natin exponent sa harap, 2, and x. So, there's always invisible 1 here. So, 1. X plus 1 equals 2. And then 2 minus 1, 1. X1 is also x, 2x. That's our derivative for g of x. Here, we're gonna compute the derivative ng both. So, to further understand, let's give this example. 2x to the power of 4 minus 3 and x squared plus 1. So, based on our formula, we need first to find the f of x. Our f of x here is the 2x to the power of 4 minus 3 because it comes before the g of x. So, let's copy it first. Minus 3 and then let's get the derivative of g of x. Nakuha na natin kanina yung derivative ng g of x which is the 2x. 2x plus, just like what I've said, we will in the product rule, we will always gonna use the mathematical operation plus. Copy the g of x plus 1 and then the derivative of f of x which is the 8x cubed. X cubed. Now, let's solve it. To solve it, we need first to multiply this 2. So, 2x to the power of 4 times 2x is 4x to the power of 5 minus 3 times 2x is 6x plus this one also x squared times 8x cubed is 8x to the power of 5 plus ito naman 1 times 8x 8x cubed is 8x cubed. Let's now simplify it. We need to combine like terms. As we can see here, we have 2 with the same exponential. So, 4 plus 8 is 12x to the power of 5 minus, since 6x and 8x cubed have no like terms, that means we're gonna put the 8x cubed minus 6x. So, this is already our answer. Our final answer is 12x to the power of 5 plus 8x cubed minus 6x. That's all. Thank you.